Okay, Tyler, well, in the actual exam back in November, you scored 61 on the paper one, which was the best mark out of the two that you did. You're only a few marks off a grade C with 61, so if you can keep that up, then you're going to be in a strong position. Let's see how you get on with this one. There you need two numbers. You've only given me 60. You've got to give me the 4 as well. So you're only going to get 3 marks there. That's correct. Here you haven't completely answered the question, which is asking you to give your answer as a fraction in its simplest form. 16 out of 30, both of those numbers you can divide by 2 to get 8 out of 15. So that is what they're looking for you to get 2 marks. You only get 1. Rectangle is correct, pentagon is correct, rhombus isn't. A rhombus is a square that's been pushed to one side. The shape that you're looking at is a trapezium. So 3, 5, 7 marks for that first page. Okay, so you've totaled up the frequency column. Now what you need to do here is always label your axes, otherwise you can't get full marks. And because it's a bar chart, these numbers here need to be in the columns, not on the end of the columns. So you're going to lose 2 marks for how you've set that out. 250 is correct, and that's correct. So 6 marks for the page. That is good. That is good. Well done. £100 for the rent, £250 saved. Well, £100 for the rent is correct, but 250 is half of £500, which is 50%. So you've done that bit wrong, and you haven't really explained what that tells you. That's correct, and that is good. That should be a quarter, but I'll give you the benefit of the doubt. And £7.12 is good as well. So for that page you've got 5, 9. 1.5 centimeters? No, 1.5 centimeters is very small. What we're asking you to do is estimate the height of that car in real life, which will be 1.5 meters. Then I need to see a method which you were going to do in order to get that answer. So I need to see you marking off on the building how many times that car will fit in. So you're not going to get any marks for what you've done there. 47 is correct for the median. You haven't worked out the range. The range is simply 51 take away 45. Biggest take away smallest. R, P and Q. R is correct. Now what you need to make sure is that you are making it clear where that R is, because you've added a line there which isn't helpful. Again, I'll give you the benefit of the doubt, but you need to be careful on the paper, because if you're using a pen you can't rub that out. 5 for the page. 12 is correct. 12 times 15 isn't 360. But then you added that to it correctly, so you get your method marks there for the page. Angle properties, something that you need to remind yourself about, because they're going to come up for sure. That's right, well done, and that's right, well done. 17 is a prime number, that is correct. That is correct, but you need them to show me what you're doing in order to calculate the angles. You haven't done enough with that to work out what those angles are. That is correct, but so what? Why is that a problem? There's not enough there to explain why you've gone wrong there. what's wrong with that? Okay, that's what you need to explain. Why can't it be 1.1? 115/65 is correct. If that's 65, that's not 60, because what you've got there is the Z angle, that angle and that angle are the same. So both of those are then wrong. So that's a bad page, no marks. 4x equals 12 is correct. So the answer is not 3x, it's x equals 3. So you lose that mark. 1 for the page, and you didn't do the last one. So as I said, you got 61 back in November. Don't think you're going to get 61 this time. 7, 13, 22, 27, 31, 35, 38, 39. Okay, so you've gone backwards quite a bit in the 2 months since you last done a past paper. We need to get you back up on speed. 39 is a grade F. You're 1 mark off an E and quite a long way off a grade C. But when you go through that paper, hopefully you will find lots of marks that you think, oh yeah, of course I can do that. And next time there'll be an improvement.